The family that donated the money to build this building was the Howard and Audrey Naylor family. Howard grew up here, and they left their estate to charity, and they built this building from scratch. The building sits on land donated by Community Action. It was formerly the Pritt's Garage. The parking lot was donated by First United Bank, and the Naylors gave over $1 million to build this building. It is state of the art. And so to honor the Naylors, we have blacksmithing items back here, quite a few of them, and you'll notice that we have one of the original Naylor forges and some things they sold in their store. Also, we recognize a famous Grantsville blacksmith named Daniel Klotz.